Imagine the timeless elegance of timber frame construction with mortise and tenon joinery, combined with modern, modular construction. The Horizon Structures Timber Frame Barn. Truly the very best of both worlds. A timber frame barn can offer the ultimate in longevity, as well as the charm of cathedral ceilings with their exposed, heavy-duty beams, while our modular construction provides fast, efficient assembly at your location that doesn't skimp on quality, all at a price that may surprise you. All beams and rafters are made from Douglas fir grade 1 or higher. That is also S4S. This means surfaced 4 sides to ensure a uniform flat wood stock. We also specify free of center heart of the tree timber, as wood milled away from the heart of the tree is less prone to cracking and splitting. It's been said that a picture speaks 1,000 words, and that's never been more true than when viewing our timber frame barn with its exposed framework. The practical and attractive overhang, one of our most requested upgrades. This is popular because of the protection it offers from rain, snow, and the hot sun. You'll find sliding aisle doors on both gable ends for easy access. These doors utilize a galvanized track and nylon rollers for smooth, easy operation. Tempered glass in the aisle doors adds a great look and provides natural light. Upgrade the standard stall windows with Dutch doors to allow access to the stall from outside the barn. Secure the door fully open, giving the ability to turn out directly from the stalls, or keep your horse in the stall with the top half open for added natural light, ventilation, and a view of what's going on around the barn. Chew guards come standard on the lower half of the Dutch doors to discourage gnawing and to help protect against damage. Inside, you'll find an attractive yellow pine tongue and groove treatment throughout. Welded steel and powder-coated grills in the aisle ensure safety and good looks. Stall doors easily slide on overhead tracks with nylon rollers. We also install grills at the top of each partition, or you may select to have a solid partition. Your choice. Some buyers specify a wash stall lined with glassboard for the ultimate convenience. A full-size staircase with handrail provides easy access to the loft, which offers lots of space, and a truly amazing view of the timeless wood craftsmanship throughout. Safety and functionality combine in the railing around the loft, allowing you an up-close appreciation of the exquisite timber frame construction supporting the roof, and a bird's-eye view of the stalls and barn space below. Add dormer windows for increased ventilation, natural light, more vertical space, and yet another vantage point to view the world around you. Perhaps best of all, you can have it your way. Your barn's layout and design can be customized to best fit your needs. Stalls, storage, or an open floor plan for a garage, workshop, or any number of other uses. We invite your call for more information or to discuss your project ideas. But there's much more to our timber frame barn than colors and options. There's quality. We work hard to provide the very best products in the business, and it shows in our construction, materials, and attention to detail. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back every one of these barns with our 5-year, top-to-bottom warranty. Now there's real peace of mind. Your dream barn can be a reality, and we can even help with financing. The Timber Frame Horse Barn by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.